This is young cat. This is old cat. Young cat save 100 fish per month starting age 25. Stop at age 35. Total saved 12,000 fish. Old cat save 100 fish per month starting age 35. Continue until age 65. Total saved 36,000 fish. Wait, what? Young cat save less fish but end up with more fish? This is Business Cat. Business Cat explain the magic. The magic called compound interest. Today cat learn how fish multiply, how time more powerful than money, how starting early change everything. This probably most important video cat ever watch about fish. What is compound interest? Start simple. Cat have one fish. Cat put fish in special bowl. Special bowl is investment account. After 1 year, fish grow 10% bigger. Now cat have 1.10 fish. But here where magic happen. Next year, the growth happen on all the fish, not just original fish. Growth happen on the growth too. Year 2, 1.10 fish grow another 10%. Now cat have 1.21 fish. Year 3, 1.33 fish grow 10%. Now cat have 1.46 fish. Fish not growing in a straight line. Fish growing in a curve, an exponential curve. This called compound interest. Interest earning interest. Growth growing on growth. Albert Einstein cat once said, compound interest most powerful force in universe. Einstein cat was smart cat. Let business cat show difference. Simple interest. Cat put 1,000 fish in jar, get 100 fish every year. After 10 years have 2,000 fish. Growth is straight line. Compound interest. Cat put 1,000 fish in investment bowl, get 10% growth on everything each year. After 10 years have 2,594 fish. Growth is a curved line. After 20 years, simple interest give 3,000 fish. Compound interest gives 6,727 fish. After 30 years, simple interest give 4,000 fish. Compound interest gives 17,449 fish. The gap get ridiculous. This why compound interest called magic. Best part, this happen while cat sleep, while cat eat, while cat watch TV. Fish just multiply automatically. Cat not working harder, cat working smarter.
Act 2. Time is more powerful than money. Business Cat show you 3 cats, 3 different approaches. Watch what happen. Cat A, early bird cat. Start investing age 25. Save 200 fish per month. Stop completely at age 35. Never add another fish. Just let it grow. Total fish invested, 24,000 fish. Cat B, procrastinator cat. Wait until age 35, then save 200 fish per month. Continue until age 65. Work much longer. Total fish invested, 72,000 fish. Cat C, late panic cat. Wait until age 45. Realize mistake. Start saving 200 fish per month. Continue until age 65. Total fish invested, 48,000 fish. At age 65, who have most fish? Cat C started at 45, 152,000 fish. Cat B started at 35, 379,000 fish. Cat A started at 25, 627,000 fish. Cat A invested least fish, only 24,000 fish total. But Cat A have most fish at end, over 627,000 fish. Cat A invested for only 10 years then stopped. Cat B invested for 30 years. But Cat A still win by massive amount. How? Time, pure time. Cat A give fish 40 years to multiply. Even though stopped adding new fish at age 35, the fish kept growing, compounding on itself, year after year after year. Cat B only give fish 30 years. Cat C only give fish 20 years. Every year matter, every month matter, every day cat delay is advantage cat never get back.
Cat want know how long until fish double. Use rule of 72. Take number 72, divide by interest rate. That how many years to double. At 6% growth, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double. At 8% growth, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years to double. At 10% growth, 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years to double. At 12% growth, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years to double. This mean if cat invest 1,000 fish at 10% growth, year 7, 2,000 fish. Year 14, 4,000 fish. Year 21, 8,000 fish. Year 28, 16,000 fish. Year 35, 32,000 fish. Same original 1,000 fish. Cat never add more. But after 35 years, become 32,000 fish. Cat do nothing. Time do everything. Mistake 1. Taking fish out too early. Biggest mistake cats make. Take fish out before compound interest work its magic. Cat invest fish. See small growth. Get impatient. Take fish out. Use for vacation or new car. This destroy compounding. When cat take fish out, growth restart from 0. Cat lose all accumulated momentum. Investment account not piggy bank, not emergency fund. Investment account is do not touch account. Cat say, market too high now. Cat wait for crash, then cat invest. Problem? Cat waste time waiting. Meanwhile, compound interest not working. Perfect time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is today. Same for investing. Best time was yesterday. Second best time is now. Time in market beat timing market every time. Cat say, cat only have 50 fish per month, not worth investing. Cat wait until have more fish. This backwards thinking. 50 fish per month for 30 years at 10% growth equals 113,000 fish. 50 fish seem small, but compound interest make it huge over time. Start with what cat have, even if small, especially if young. Cat check investment every day. See fish go up, feel happy. See fish go down, feel panic, sell everything. Short-term, market go up and down like crazy cat. Long-term, market go up steadily. Compound interest need time, not attention, not daily monitoring. Check once per month maximum. Better yet, check once per year. Best, set automatic and forget.
Okay, cat understand compound interest. Cat understand time more important than amount. Cat understand starting early is everything. What cat actually do? Step 1. Open investment account. If cat have job with 401k, use that. Free fish from employer matching. If no 401k, open Roth IRA. Fish grow tax-free forever. If maxed those, open regular brokerage account. Many apps make this easy. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Step 2. Choose index fund. Don't pick individual fish. Don't try to be smart. Buy index fund. Index fund is basket of hundreds of companies. S&P 500. Total stock market. These average 10% growth per year long term. Step 3. Make it automatic. This most important step. Set up automatic transfer. Same day each month. Money go from checking to investment. Cat never see it. Cat never decide. Start with whatever cat can afford. 50 fish? Good. 100 fish? Great. 500 fish? Excellent. Amount less important than consistency and time. Step 4. Do not touch. Set it, forget it. Let compound interest do magic. Market crash 30%? Don't touch. Need money for vacation? Don't touch. Friend say take profit? Don't touch. This fish working for future cat. Future cat will thank present cat for leaving it alone. The real world example. Cat is 25 years old. Cat have entry-level job. Cat invest 300 fish per month. That $10 per day. Price of 2 fancy fish lattes. Cat do this consistently. Never miss month, never take out. Just let it grow at average 10% return. Age 35, 10 years, 61,000 fish. Age 45, 20 years, 206,000 fish. Age 55, 30 years, 565,000 fish. Age 65, 40 years, 1,581,000 fish.
Cat invested total of 144,000 fish over 40 years. Cat end with 1,581,000 fish. That extra 1.4 million fish came from compound interest, not from Cat's labor, from fish multiplying while Cat lived life. Now imagine if Cat wait 10 years to start. Start at age 35 instead of 25. Same 300 fish monthly, same 10% growth, but 10 years less time. Starting at 35, end with 565,000 fish. Starting at 25, end with 1,581,000 fish. 10 years delay cost over 1 million fish. Same monthly amount, same effort, different timing. Massive difference. Hear what Business Cat want every cat to understand. Getting rich not about luck, not about high income, not about risky investments. Getting rich about starting early, staying consistent, letting time do the work. Compound interest not exciting, not sexy, not quick. First years feel slow, fish barely growing, cat get impatient. But then years 10 to 20 happen, growth accelerate, fish multiply faster. Then years 20 to 40 happen, growth become exponential, cat become rich cat seemingly overnight. But wasn't overnight, was decades of compound interest working silently. Warren Buffett cat is one of the richest cats in world, net worth over 100 billion fish. Cat know how much of that he earned after age 50? 97% of it. Not because Buffett cat suddenly got smarter at age 50, because that's when compound interest really kicked in after decades of compounding. First 30 years built foundation, next 40 years built empire. That's why young cats have the biggest advantage, not because they earn more, because they have the most valuable resource, time. 10 extra years of compounding worth more than doubling monthly contribution later. So when should cat start? Today. Not tomorrow, not next month, not when cat have more fish to invest. Today. Open account tonight. Set up automatic transfer. Start with whatever cat can afford, even if just 50 fish per month. Then forget about it. Let compound interest work back in 10 years. Cat will be shocked. Best part, while fish multiply, cat can live life, enjoy career, travel, have fun, build relationships. The fish work 24/7, cat don't have to. That power of compound interest, that why rich cats stay rich, that why cats who start early retire early. Cat learn today, cat now know the secret that not really secret, just math and time. Subscribe to Meow Money for more fish wisdom. Share with young cats who need to hear this. Remember, the best time to plant fish tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. For legal reasons, this educational content about cats in make-believe Cat City, not financial advice. Cat not licensed financial advisor. Past performance not guarantee future results. Please research and consult professionals before making investment decisions.
But seriously, start investing. Future cat will thank present cat.